first thing we're going to do is just grab this brain teaser from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some hot glue at the middle one. This one that is loose, you will see it. Then just going to go ahead and slide it down and attach it in place and hold it down just like that until you attach it. Then after that, we're just going to go ahead and take some gold spray paint and spray paint it like that. We're going to attach it. This is the way that I'm showing you how to put it one on top of each other. Make sure to put it the right way and make sure to attach it good so you don't want it to be wobbly. And you can also use not just hot glue, but you can use glue for wood or whatever other glue that you have that is good, or E6000 so it can attach better and in place. So we're just going to go ahead and put some hot glue in here and attach it to the mirror just like that. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and take some hot glue and put it on each side on the top and place our glass on top. Put a cute little flowers. And I also got this bowl, light bulb. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on top. And this is how beautiful it looks with a flower and the light bulb. It came out so pretty. And you can also do it with just a candle and just put it inside. And this is how it looks. So cute as well. Or you can also leave it without the flower and just place the light bulb on top, and it looks super cute. For the next DIY, I just got one of these Slinky, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a glass, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the glass. I'm gonna take my hot glue. Remember, you don't have to use hot glue, and if you do use it, don't put a lot because it will look a little bit messy. So make sure to use another glue, or if you use hot glue, don't put as much as hot glue. Then you're just gonna go ahead and spin it around like that until you are done going around to the whole glass, and then cut it at the bottom just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take one of this little container, and I'm gonna spray paint it and place it on top. You can attach it with hot glue. Then for this next one, you're gonna take one large glass and you're gonna take one small one, and you're gonna put some hot glue at the top and attach it in place as well. And here you're gonna do the same thing we did with the other one, but in here I didn't even have to put hot glue. You could put at the beginning and at the end, and then just continue wrapping it around until you're done wrapping around in your whole base. Like I said, you don't have to put hot glue because you will spray paint it and it will hold it in place. Then once you're done, just go ahead and spray paint it, and this is how beautiful it turns out, you guys. It came out so cute and it looks pretty and it's an elegant. This could be for a centerpiece, for a wedding, for a birthday party. It could do for home decor. It could be so many things. And this is how it looked with the other one that we did with a candle holder as well, and it came out super cute and I loved it. For the next DIY, I took one of these lantern glow in the dark and one of the sticks, so you will need two of those. This one you will need it just to get the connector, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take the glow stick and put it all the way around it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use another one to connect it and place it and go around all the way around another way. Then I'm gonna take my connector and I'm going to attach it to the top just like that. Go all the way around until you attach the whole thing around. Go ahead and spray paint it in whatever color you're doing. Take a candle holder, some foam board, and attach it in place, and put a few flowers all around it as well, and the mirrors. Then I took this balloon stick. I'm just going to place a balloon and attach it to the top. Then go ahead and grab a few balloons and fill it up. Then I grabbed these crystal beads and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top. Then I'm going to show you the 3 different ways that you could do it. This is the first one and it came out super beautiful. This one could be for a wedding, a birthday party, any theme that you would like. You could put a candle inside, or you could also put a picture frame or the number of the table. There's so many things you could do with these centerpieces that it came out super cute. For the next one, you could be for a birthday party. In here, you could also put, instead of the balloons, you could put, like if you're doing a Barbie theme, put a Barbie, a teddy bear, whatever the theme might be, you could put inside. For the next one, it could be for a baby shower. Now, you could put the balloons and leave it as that. You could also put a sonogram inside or baby. It could be anything you would like. For the next DIY, I just grabbed one of this little wood from Dollar Tree, and I grabbed this ball from the toy sections, and I'm just going to put some hot glue at the bottom and attach it to the board just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab some more hot glue and attach another ball. Make sure to line up the line with a ball so it could be in place. Then I put a glass on top just like that. Then go ahead and spray paint it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It came out so pretty and cute. I wasn't expecting that. You could also leave it in gold or you could just leave it in white. I hope you guys like it, and let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.